Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
See, that file has already moved. It has gone to the law department for vetting. When it comes back, we will be giving the house numbers to all houses in Goa. Idea is, see, whichever houses that are existing till today, okay, they are already there. Nobody is going to demolish them. Okay, nowhere in Goa they have been demolished for that matter. They have electricity, they have water. They go to health and they get the NOC from the health department, and then they get the electricity and water. As against such a background, none of the panchayats are earning a single paisa as revenue. None of the municipalities are earning a single paisa as revenue. Giving them house number does not legalize those particular houses. They continue as it is, but at least because they are using the resources of the government in terms of electricity, water supply, other amenities like roads, gutters, which the panchayats do, panchayats should get some income. Legalizing them is altogether different processes for the revenue department to deal with it.